Hey, huge breakthrough here for you. Just had a great coaching call with a client who was super stressed out, kids at home, wife at home from her job, him trying to work at home. And you know what I said? You've got to figure out better communication and detailed scheduling. So think about this. The world is in a massive amount of uncertainty right now. And that's causing you so much stress because humans don't like uncertainty. We like routine. And if you haven't taken control of the things that you do control, which is the schedule, which is the communication about the schedule, the extreme amounts of expectations, but between like, hey, this is what I'm going to be doing at this time so that you can expect, here's where I will be. Like, remember the last time that somebody in your house, whether it was your kids or your partner, they disappeared for 2 hours and you're like, where is this person? What are they doing? Are they okay? Are they getting pizza or are they out with somebody else? And how much stress that causes, right? Now, if you have your schedule outlined, and this is just a general outline, you could even get much more detailed. Like, I'm gonna get up at 5:30 in the morning. I'm gonna work on my business for an hour. Then it's gonna be, as my coaching client Ron calls it, fam jam time. It's gonna be fam jam time for 2 hours as we get the kids up and about, and then get them into their homeschooling. And then from there, after that, I'm going to be doing the homeschooling for an hour and a half, which means you can then go and do something else for an hour and a half. And maybe you even have an outfit like, hey, when my hood is up, I am in work mode, so do not bother me. Jack Canfield actually does this because he works at home and he's a very famous guy. And when he has a hat on, it means he's in work mode. Do not bother him. Isn't that just such a great expectation? Now, if you have a 6-year-old kid, they won't get it. But between you and your partner, your spouse, you'll be able to get it. And you have this whiteboard up with the schedules on the whiteboard. You can see we got date night over there. Now everybody knows, at 4 o'clock, he's going to be on a call. At 6 o'clock, he's going to be doing this. And then at 7 o'clock, it's family time again, and everybody shuts their electronics off. If you have those things controlled, remember, there's so much uncertainty out there. If you have the things within your control certaintied, and that takes care of a whole bunch of uncertainties, then you have more success and less stress, all right? So I have for years been running my schedule on a Word document. I don't use Google Docs, I don't use schedules, I don't use apps, nothing. I am so simple. And it's so simple because it's clear communication. And if you have clear communication about the expectations with the people in your home, you are now taking control of the uncertainties within your control so that you can deal with the uncertainties of the world that are out there that are going to stress you out. Now, I'm going to come back with another message on communication and how you can eliminate so much of the negativity and the toxicity going into your head properly. I don't watch any news. I don't listen to any news. I shut out all the negativity because I know nothing important is going to change. And if it does, if all of a sudden we're given an all clear, great. Someone will tell me that the world will erupt. And if somebody says, well, now we're only allowed to be 5.1 feet away from each other in social distancing, someone will tell me that too when I get within that 6 feet radius. So nothing else is going to change. The fundamentals are not going to change, and I'll rant about that very soon. Until then, go and create your schedule and communicate clearly and concisely with the people you love so that they remain the people you love for the rest of your life. All right? Drop me a comment down below about how you think I'm full of crap and how this won't work for you. And I'll tell you, it will, and I'll rebut your objections.